Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 31. The nucleus is considered the control center of the cell because it A. contains the genetic material, B. contains the nucleus sap, C. is bounded by the nuclear membrane, and D. is located at the center of the nucleus. The nucleus is a cell organelle and is responsible or is described as the control center of the cell. The control center of the cell, and this is because it contains genetic materials. It contains genetic material, that is the genes, the DNA and the RNA. These are located in the nucleus, and they are responsible. These genetic material are responsible, that is, they control the type and quantity of proteins produced. Now, this nucleus contains the genetic material, the DNA and the RNA, that controls the type and quantity of proteins produced. And like you know, most of the enzymes, the hormones, even the body tissues are proteins. So it simply means that every activity of the cell is controlled by this nucleus, because the nucleus contains the genetic material that determine what the cell will be, or the activities of the cell. So the answer to the question is option A, contains genetic material. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.